Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and healthy. Welcome to our English session. Today we are going to start up a new chapter from English Treasure textbook, that is chapter number 8, Adventures of Isabel. Okay. This poem is taken from an extract from Ogden Nash's poem by the same name. Okay, this is the extract taken, this is a paragraph taken from that poem. Okay, so Adventures of Isabel. Okay, so this is the story of a girl who come through an adventurous okay thing that she had with her. Okay, so let us start with the chapter. So first let me tell you what is in it. Here all of us are scared of something, okay, or the other. We have a fear, or we have a scared of something, okay. But this girl Isabel knows no fear means she doesn't know how to be fear. She is a fearless girl. Okay, read this poem about the adventures that Isabel experiences and how she overcomes them. So we will read about in this poem that how Isabel experienced her fear and how she overcome with that adventure. Okay, so let's read the poem that what adventure she had gone through. Okay, let us start. Isabel met an enormous bear. Isabel did not care. The bear was hungry, the bear was ravenous. The bear's big mouth was cruel and cavernous. The bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. So, here Isabel met a enormous bear. Enormous is very big and huge. Okay, Isabel, a girl, she met an enormous bear. Okay, but Isabel did not care because she has no fear. Okay, she doesn't fear with anything. The bear was looking hungry. The bear was ravenous. Ravenous means very, very hungry. Okay. Then the bear big mouth was cruel and cavernous. Cavernous means very large and dark. His mouth was very big. Okay. And the bear said, Isabel, glad to meet you. Now I will eat you. So the bear said, Isabel, I like when I meet you, but I am glad, I am very happy to meet you because I will eat you. So the big hungry bear want to eat Isabel, right? Then how do Isabel now I will eat you. Isabel did not worry. Isabel did not scream or scurry. She washed her hand and she straightened her hair up. Then Isabel quickly ate the bear up. Okay. So here, how do Isabel? Now I will eat you. So that bear said, I am very hungry. I am very glad to meet you. Now I will eat you. So but Isabel did not worry because she is a fearless girl. She does not know how to be fair, how to be fear. उसे डर नहीं लगता था, उसे कुछ भी चीज़ से डर नहीं लगता था. Okay, then Isabel did not scream or scare. वो she did not scream means she didn't loud with. Okay, she did not scream, वो चिल्लाती भी नहीं है. और scary means move fast and small quick step, and fastly she moved from there. She washed her hand. Okay, she washed her hand and she straightened her hair. She washed her hand and straightened her hair. Okay, और बाल को अच्छे से स्ट्रेट करती पकड़ती है. Then Isabel quickly eat that bear. So student, how could the Isabel eat the bear? Isabel, look at the picture. Isabel, she had she had in the picture, she see that bear is looking small and Isabel looks very big. So she ate that bear. And what thing can be more? Isabel, maybe she is dreaming in her dream. We can take that also. Okay, she has a dream that she had met a bear, hungry bear. Okay, but is that bear made of really an animal? What do you think, student? I think she met a bear, yes, but she in a dream, in her adventure, maybe in her dream, we can say that she has seen a bear candy. Then she had eaten up that. We can take also that. Okay, two thing maybe. So now what she did? She ate up the bear. Okay. Then once in a night as black as pitch, Isabel met a wicked old witch. The witch's face was cross and wrinkled. The witch's gums with teeth were sprinkled. Ho ho, Isabel, the old witch crowed. I will turn you into an ugly toad. Isabel did not worry. Isabel did not scream and scary. She showed no rage and she showed no rancor. But she turned the witch into milk and drank her. So one night she met a black in a night black as pitch means a thick black sticky substance. Okay, there she met a wicked faced witch. Okay, a witch you have seen who has we have means learn we have heard about that witch has taken a broom and she fly at the night. Okay, like this in the stories. Okay, so her face was crossed and wrinkle on the face. Cross means looking very angry. Okay, the witch's gum with teeth. Her teeth was very means very untidy. His teeth was very dirty and okay. Then what she said? Ho ho, Isabel, the old witch crowded. Crowded means spoke very loudly. Okay. Then what she tell that Isabel? I will turn you into a toad, in a ugly toad. Okay. Then but Isabel did not worry because she is a fearless girl. And Isabel did not scream and scare. Means she did not shout so loud and okay. So what that wicked witch told her Isabel that I will turn you into a toad. एक frog मैं आपको toad में convert कर दूंगी. Okay, and you will look ugly. But Isabel डरी नहीं. And what she did? She does not scream and what she did? She moved fast and small with small quickly steps. Okay, then she showered no rage. Rage means a strong feeling of anger. वो दिखाते बहुत strong feeling अपने गुस्सा का. Okay, and showered no rancor. Rancor means deep hearted or anger. She doesn't show that. Okay. Then what she did? She turned the witch into milk and drank her. She turned that wicked witch into a milk and drank her. Okay. So can we do that? क्या हम कर सकते हैं? ये एक आपके suppose you go to an ocean. Okay, and you feel that you can take up all the water into the one glass. That cannot be happen. But this is a poem. This is a very adventure poem. This can be happen in story and poem also. Okay, that in adventure Isabel, what she did? She turned that wicked wizard into milk and she drank her. Okay. So students, I hope you like this poem, okay, and read the poem once and watch the video carefully, okay. Thank you everyone.